Hi, another day, another surgery. So today we have a very challenging case. No, this is a case of uneven breast. So she has a big breast on the right and a sagging breast, and on the left a small breast. So it's like this. No, this is her right breast and this is her left breast. So I'm going to do breast reduction with breast lift on the right. So ililift po natin yan. Then yung left niya, she wants it a little lifting kasi medyo nagsag din ng konti. But very prominent yung difference ng size. So I'm going to do the lifting here on the left. But on the right, reduction and lifting. So, very challenging case because it should be symmetrical. Dapat pantay. So, I will show you the results after. So, that's it. I'd like to thank, first I'd like to thank Dr. Christopher Tumambing Tupe. Dr. Tupe Tumambing for my shirt. No? Thank you very much, pare. I love you, mama. Chup chup. That's it. Another day, another surgery. Hi. I'm done doing the challenging case for today. So I did breast lift on the left and breast reduction on the right. Breast reduction with lift. So I will see her if there is equal breast already. Actually, I explained to the patient na hindi talaga magagawa na equal. No? And her scar is on the left, the scar is lollipop. And on the right, the scar is anchor. So, magkaiba pong procedure. So, I will see her after a week. We will show you the results. Another day, another surgery.